What is up people, welcome back to Satori Graphics, and today just a quick video because I've actually been traveling around all over the weekend and so I've had no time to work on things pretty much. But I do have a super useful video today within Adobe Illustrator, and also I have some essential content lined up for the rest of the week. But yeah, in Adobe Illustrator we have access to a whole host of settings and options here. And you can also press Command or Control K, which will bring up the Illustrator preference settings. Now it's all well and good having access to all of these settings for your workflow, but when you make a new document, you might want to have them all set up in a very specific way. And I'm going to show you how to save all of your settings for a specific document setup. So let's make a few changes to test the process. So I'm going to change the tolerance here to 2, and then change the size of my anchor display settings. And that's only available in CC, by the way. So we can save all of these settings, but also we can save the document layout as well. So for example, I might want to have the stroke window open along with the image trace function as well. So the idea is to save a preset for specific document functions. So maybe you might set things up for logo designing or poster designing or typography based work and so on. But when you're ready, come up to Edit and then Export Settings. You can save them in any location on your device, but I suggest making a specific folder for all of your preset save settings. Now to test that my settings actually will be used, I'm going to remove the windows here and also change back some of the preference settings by heading into the window by Command or Control K. Now, all I need to do is to go back into Edit, but this time import the settings. Simply locate the file that we just saved and then hit OK. Now Illustrator is going to restart, so you need to be sure to save any unfinished work that you're currently working on. Load Illustrator back up again, and then when you create a new document, and that is any kind of document, all of your settings and the layouts we just saved will be uploaded. So as you can see, the stroke window and also the image trace window are open. And heading into the preference settings, I did have this as 0.3 pixels, but the document I created uses millimeters, so Illustrator converted it to the equivalent. But yeah, also the tolerance is set to 2 again, and I have the same settings for my anchor display interface. So this is a really great way to make sure all of your settings and your layouts are set up specifically for certain workflows. If you want to keep learning essential skills in Adobe Illustrator and also just as a graphic designer in general, do make sure to subscribe to my channel for weekly graphic design content. Do have a great day, and until next time guys, design your future today. Peace.